So in this video we went from this interior look to this interior look, and let us say it's a slight improvement. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Well, in today's video we are going to do a very big upgrade to the interior. So last video we done the steering wheel, which still works great, very fun to have. But with the steering wheel, the first dry accent carbon fiber here was installed in the car together with the pedal shifters, which I think look very cool. But all the rest of the car is still the the metalish look, and we have these nice Alcantara seats, but this is all still leather, and we still have the small iDrive button. We still have black floor mats, plastic pedals. You get where I'm going? So today it's big upgrade time because we are going to transform everything in the car. I have all the parts ready. So let's do a quick overview with you guys what I'm going to do. So what are we going to do? Well, we are going to replace the silver trims for the original carbon fiber Alcantara versions. Same goes for the iDrive version. We're also going to get the original Alcantara carbon fiber panel. Same goes for the gear lever. Alcantara M Performance carbon fiber handbrake, Alcantara armrest. We are going to get new M Performance look pedals that we had on the previous car. We are going to recover the M Performance floor mats from the previous, the white F20, because the new owner didn't like them. I thought they were pretty okay, and actually they're handier in the winter because they are more rubberized and they don't catch that much dirt. We're also going to get an aftermarket bigger iDrive button, a little silver trim for around here, and I think that's everything, but that will be a pretty big transformation. So once we're done, the interior of the 1 Series will be top notch. Because the steering wheel was the first thing to do, but now it's time to do all the rest. So we also just had a drive with the car, and so we get everything up to temps. Why? Well, it's only like 10 degrees outside, and the plastics of the car were pretty cold to the touch. But now, I mean, if you know science, plastics are more brittle when they're warm. And I actually don't want to break anything, but now I put everything on full heat, and like even the iDrive center console is hot to the touch. Everything like this, everything is hot to the touch, even the armrest. So a hot plastic is a little bit easier to remove because it's more flexible and you will snap things less quickly. So that's going to be the nice thing. So now let's start, because there we have a very nice box, and what we are going to need for this this job is pry tools, flathead screwdrivers, and I thought you also need a little Torx for this one, but you don't need that much tools. But I am not going to do a tutorial on this. I'm just going to skip to the like a little I forgot how you make the shot, but like when you do a lot of shots next to each other, a montage, I forgot the name, but you will see what I mean in a second. So first of all, just for the wow effect, we're going to sit to the car, and then we're gonna take the little nice shot over here. And so that's how the interior used to look. And then, so yeah, I actually used this trick already in this video, but anyway, enjoy the video because it's worth it.
Klappat hakten alla barn, fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn, fullfest hela dagen.
So we have everything installed from the M Performance pieces, except the ones in the rear, because I apparently, and I didn't realize this, I apparently bought the F21, so the 3 doors version M Performance kit instead of the F20. But I already found a website where you can order these two separately. So that's what I've done, and those will be mounted. Those will arrive next week. So yeah, it's not something that we will do in this video. But yeah, the other parts of the interior are done. We didn't run into any problems except for this one. I almost cried. I felt desperately. I wanted to sell the car, burn it, get a new one, whatever. But what happened is, so you have to open this up. There's like a little gear inside of this. So what happens now is when I open this, it's a little bit springy. You see? And that gear actually is there to prevent that. But it's not a big disaster because it's closed anyway, and then when it's opened, you click like this and it's open. So this motion should be prevented by the gear. But what happened is when I made this one loose, the gear here just shot away, and it was there and I couldn't grab it. And when I tried to grab it, it fell between the here, and I've actually made the seat loose, but it's somewhere here and I can't find it. And actually I have like a mental disorder where I can't stand that there are clips or gears or whatever not in place and somewhere here. I just can't stand that. I'm not going to sell the car, but it has crossed my mind to sell it because I just can't. I freaking hate it. I love the car a little bit less right now because of that. So yeah, we lost. Like I said, the spring in motion now. That's what it actually should prevent. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. And really, that it dropped inside of here, so you have to remove this whole piece. And there was like only one single hole in this carpet, in this whole area, like one single freaking hole, and it just dropped right into there. And every time when I tried to grab it, well, it got stuck between in here, and every time I tried to grab it, it got deeper and deeper and deeper away. I removed the seat, tried to grab it like that through that hole, but I didn't even found it. So I have no freaking clue where it is, but I am generally pissed about that. But yeah, anyway, we are going to clean up everything, and then we are gonna do some nice shots because it's getting dark outside already, and it's basically 4 p.m. in the evening. So I really hate this. I really hate this type of weather and this period of the year. Except Christmas, that's fun, but fuck you. Stay a little bit more. I don't know. I'm just pissed about this, really. Maybe we need to wreck this one and get an M2 competition, whatever. Anyway, we're a day later now and at a different location. Yeah, and we already used the car and the carpet is already disgusting. But maybe it's time now to do some little cool shots and enjoy the new interior. Anyway, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it because this was an expensive video. Basically, this whole interior, so the steering wheel, including all the M Performance bits, it's almost close to 3,000 euros. So it was an expensive video to make. But the next few modifications are going to be very nice because we are going to do the cold climate mod and a Remus exhaust. and something extra, but that's still a little bit of a surprise. So we're not done yet. We're not done. So enjoy, and see you next time. Bye.